everyone, and thank you so much for dropping by. In this video, I will be making the pumpkin slice soap made with real pumpkin puree. Now that the oils are blended past emulsion, I'm adding some titanium dioxide to lighten up the oils. Also, some colloidal oatmeal for a little bit of texture. Here I'm adding the pumpkin puree, which was discounted from the water in the lye water solution. The sugars in the pumpkin puree will make your soap accelerate, so you need to move quickly. This is why I took out my whisk to whisk in my fragrance oil, which is the pumpkin pie fragrance oil. Now that the soap has thickened up quite a bit, it is time to pour, and ladies and gents, let me tell you, this was such a struggle. Now I'm going to take the soap to tap it down to remove any type of air bubbles, because we want to avoid as much as possible any type of air bubbles, and when the soap is thick, I'm going to tell you, it's hard to get those bubbles out. Now that all the soap is poured in, I'm going to do my best to smooth out the top to make it nice and equal. 17 to 24 hours later, it is time to unmold and cut this beautiful pumpkin soap. Here we go for the cut, and it is so smooth. We're gonna take a look at what it looks like on the inside. Here you go. Yeah, we got a little bit of gelling happening here, but it's definitely going to change with the curing time. So I didn't show you guys every individual bar, but I will be stamping every soap. I'm not going to show it. It's going to be a long process, but I do hope you enjoy this little stamping session. Now that each bar has been stamped and the sides have been cleaned, I am going to be working on the soap frosting. So for the soap frosting, I've added the lye water solution to the oils, and I will also be adding some titanium dioxide for the white, and I will mix until the proper consistency for piping. I've added all my soap into the piping bag, and we are ready to pipe on this beautiful pumpkin pie soap. It's not always perfect. We do make mistakes from time to time. All we need to do is clean it off and try again. At first I wasn't too sure if I preferred the $1 or the 3, but when I saw it on, I was like, okay, yeah, it's pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think. Which one would you have preferred? Just the 1 or the 3 was nice? For some extra cuteness, we're going to be adding some brown mica to act as the cinnamon you would find on a pumpkin pie. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like the video. If you want to see more of these, subscribe. And if you want to let me know what you did or didn't like about the video, you can do so in the comment section below. Hope to see you guys soon on my next video. Take care!